As a hedge fund manager, I've been in the press. I better confess what it's about. It's about AI. And you can read it on Business Insider. A hedge fund manager shares the 7 GPT-4 prompts he used to filter top stocks and the 6 key takeaways he learned from his AI experiments. And it's a really detailed article, which they've written about me, I am pleased to say, and it's lengthy, and it goes through everything in detail of the prompts I use, how I use them, where I got the data, how I inputted the data to make everything up to date, and how you can do the same for your own investing. So, and you can see it's a long article, so do have a look, and don't forget to say, brilliant or such thing at the end of it as well, please. Thank you all very... Oh, no, there's one more thing. Don't forget to go to alpeshpatel.com/links and have a look at everything there as well. Thank you. My Lord, if I survive, then thank you.